How to track the performance of your restaurant and see guest trends. Tracking trends in reservations and guests who dine more than once is a great way to improve revenue at your restaurant. To access your reports, click Settings from the main menu bar. You can choose reservation or guest reports, as well as other options like payments, POS, and survey trends, if you have those active in your account. Click Reservation Trends to see reports about your reservations. Use the date selector at the top to choose a date range and whether you want to see trends by hour, day, week, or month. For the selected time range, see the reservations that were no-shows or cancelled, as well as how many people showed up. You'll also see what percentage of your guests were walk-ins compared to reservations. At the bottom, you'll find a busiest period report that shows you in which hours of the day you've seated the most guests. Next, click Guest Reports to see charts for your repeat visit trends. Use the date selector at the top to choose a date range and whether you want to see trends by day, week, or month. Use the guest reports to track how well you are retaining your guests and whether you are increasing the number of repeat visits over time. If you have POS integration set up, you'll also be able to see these trends by revenue. Set up EDAP to send performance reports to your inbox. Start by clicking Venue Profile from the Settings page. Add the email addresses for where you'd like to receive the reports and click Update Profile. Click Receive Trends by Email from the Settings page. Choose how frequently you would like to receive email reports. Click Save, and you'll automatically start receiving reports in your inbox. And that's how you can start using EDAP's reports to continuously improve performance, track loyalty, and stay updated about your restaurant.